drive me crazy. Power steering pump I think is bad because the steering wheel and idler gets real hard. My goodness, gotta fix that. They scream and everything, my goodness. That was funny. I think I'll be doing that more often. Scaring the fuck out of this. Oh snap, that was funny. It's maybe a pulley because when I because I have American Racing tensioner for the belt, but I put a stock pulley on there, and the stock pulley I put, it looked pretty, I would say not new, so that may be why it's doing that. I don't know, because when I spray water in there, you know, like it kind of went away, so it makes me think it's a belt. Not sure, guys, not sure. But that squeaking noise is driving me nuts. This thing breaks necks, bro, left and right. Swear to God. Sorry for this guy up here. Probably can't hear shit right now. Oh well. It is what it is. Alright, you know the drill, guys.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a coffee latte, medium with 5 sugars?
Grande iced cafe latte with 5 sugar.
Medium.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, and let me get a large ice white chocolate mocha.
Okay. Anything else?
That will be it.
All right. That's gonna be $11.79. Let's get the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry guys, I can't help it. I don't get tired of hearing this car. I can drive this thing all day, every day. I just don't because it spends a lot of E85. Don't die. There you go. Come on, be nice. Be nice for the video. Oh jeez. This thing spends a lot of E85, guys. It's unreal. Probably does like 5 or 6 miles a gallon. I mean miles per gallon, I'm sorry. But yeah. Oh my god, just get my coffee. Hello. went lean right now. It went like completely lean to like no numbers on the wideband, and then it came back from 18, 17, 16, and 15. That's where it should be. Like it should be between 14.7 and 15.5, 15.6. Let me show you guys. That's what it should look like. That's what it should look like all the time. I don't know. It's weird. Palm Beach Dyno, you need to hook me up. Rob Shoemaker, hook me up. Golly. Oh man, it smells so good in there. My God. Starbucks in there, they look annoying because of my car. I mean, a lot of people don't like loud cars, guys. You know, it's, you know, young people like race cars and stuff. But some of them, they don't like that shit. But I ain't turning it off, man. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
For some reason, the car does quick on when it's moving and idle. Like it does it when I start it, then it goes away. But when I start moving, it will do it again. I don't know. You think that's loud, Harley? Nissan, you gotta be careful with the Nissan Altimas. Come on, go. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's a Maxima. In third gear, so I don't know, maybe I need new tires. If I keep doing that, they're gonna get worse, but I mean, I can't help it. That's what they're for, right? Who the fuck cares? Loves the coffee. If you're a car guy, you know you gotta put it like this, because if you put it the other way, it's gonna spill everywhere. That's Ben's. Yesterday I took it to Walmart and the battery died at Walmart. So I gotta go get it today, so I'll probably record that for you guys. I was charging the battery yesterday. Let me see if it's done already. I'll leave the windows down, man. It's so hot. My God. Let me see if it's done already. It's probably done because I left the charge at night, so. Oh yeah, it's done. I'll go get it today because I told him his car is here. Because if I told my dad I left his car at Walmart, there'll be a shit show. So, sorry, Pops. I had to tell you that the car was in the garage.